In this video, we will learn about the average function in Excel. The average function is used to calculate the mean of your data. Let's see how. The average function calculates the arithmetic mean of a group of numbers. It does this by adding all the numbers together and then dividing by the total count of those numbers. The basic syntax of the average function is as follows: equals average, open parenthesis, range, close parenthesis. Here, range refers to the set of cells you want to average. Let's explore some basic examples of how to use the average function. First, using a cell range. The formula equals average, open parenthesis, A1 colon A10, close parenthesis will calculate the average of the values in cells A1 through A10. Second, using multiple values. The formula equals average, open parenthesis, 10, 20, 30, 40, close parenthesis will calculate the average of the numbers 10, 20, 30, and 40. Here's a live example of the average function in action. We have a table of student scores for math, science, English, and history, listed in cells B2 through B5. To calculate the average score, we use the formula equals average, open parenthesis, B2 colon B5, close parenthesis. This calculates the average of the scores 85, 92, 78, and 89. The result is 86, as shown in cell B8. The formula for this calculation is 85 plus 92 plus 78 plus 89, divided by 4, equals 86. Now let's discuss some advanced syntax options for the average function. First, multiple ranges. The formula equals average, open parenthesis, A1 colon A5, comma, C1 colon C5, close parenthesis calculates the average across separate ranges. Second, mixed references. The formula equals average, open parenthesis, A1 colon A3, comma, 50, comma, B5, close parenthesis combines ranges, numbers, and individual cells in the calculation. Here are some key features of the average function. First, it ignores text. The function automatically excludes text values and only calculates the average of numbers. Second, it provides dynamic updates. The result automatically recalculates whenever the source data changes. The average function has many common use cases. First, in business analytics, you can use it for sales performance analysis, monthly revenue trend tracking, and customer satisfaction score calculations. Second, in academic analysis, it's useful for calculating student grade averages, analyzing test scores, and tracking class performance. In summary, the average function using the formula equals average, open parenthesis, range, close parenthesis, is an essential tool for calculating arithmetic means in Excel. It's perfect for analyzing trends, performance metrics, and statistical data. Now you are ready to practice with your own data. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.